Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm in Toronto now, and today I will take you with me to the crafting studio and we'll be making my own handmade carpet. So stay here with me and I'll show you the result at the end of this video. So let's go! Okay guys, this is my starting point. Hopefully I'm not gonna get lost because I'm here by my own. So we will see. By the way, do you know why I'm here? My uncle is working here. So I said I could go make my carpet because it's in downtown Toronto. So that's a good situation. He will be working and I'll be by my own. So it's about 30 minutes far from CN Tower. So at least I can show you some nice street views. I really like this view, so I could watch it all the time. Okay, my navigation says I'll be there at 11, which is my appointment, so I should have go a little bit earlier probably, but I have to be a little bit faster, so hopefully I can make it. Is here someone who knows what is that? I would like to know that, and I have no idea what is that, so if you know, please let me know in the comments below. Very interesting building. It's supposed to rain, they said. I don't think so. It's pretty sunny and I'm sweating a little bit, so I think I'm gonna die.
Always keep it on the right side.
On the right side.
Yeah,
okay.
And then you can grab the handle, turn the gun on, and then push it all the way. Okay. Push it, and then you can do a small tap it. Right, making the pressure go up. Perfect. Yeah, you're good. Release the pressure. You're gonna keep moving out. Yeah, and then keep going. Go up. Don't angle the gun. You want to keep the same level. Right. Perfect. Nice, and now you're gonna turn the gun. Right. You can keep the handle straight down.
Oh, okay.
And then just turn the gun. Nice. And then go down. Tap it. Nice. Yeah, you can keep chasing the line, go slower. Right. You can keep tapping. Pressure, push more, push more. Right. Yeah. Like that. Perfect.
Almost.
You're good. And then turn it. Okay, at this point you can take it out. It looks really good. Take a look on the other side. You can tell on the other side is a lot more forgiving, right?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it looks really good.
Oh nice.
And then I would suggest you do it one more right on top, because if you take a look on this side, one line is pretty thin, right?
Yeah.
So you want to make it thicker, so you're gonna double it.
Okay, so
you're
all
gonna
the
do it
way.
directly on top.
Okay,
Yeah, give
like
it a try
here?
one line. Yeah, go directly on top line. Yeah, like directly on top. And then try one line and then take a look on the other side, you will see it. Right, go over the same bit, like the whole thing. Yeah, plug in the same spot and then go over the same line.
Okay.
Go all the way, keep going.
Yeah, okay.
And then you can take a look. Take it out. And then take a look. You see the difference?
Oh yeah.
A lot better, right?
A lot better, yeah.
So it's bigger. So
Okay.
I would suggest for the outline black, you can do double.
Okay.
Do one first and then do the other one on top.
Okay.
And then do you have a hair tie, or if you don't have a hair tie, make sure you
Oh yeah,
always
I will put it.
Yeah, because someone got a haircut there.
Oh really?
Yeah, so don't
No.
forget to, you have long hair.
Okay, thank you. So I should make double.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay, amazing.
How do you find this studio on Instagram or?
Yeah, basically on Instagram. Yeah, I was looking because I found something in England.
Oh,
in London, and I
you're
searched
from
for.
England?
No, I'm not. I'm from Europe.
Oh, you're from Czech.
Yeah, but I searched for that, like I saw it on Instagram in London, and I started to search if it's here also, because it's far away from London, so, and I found this studio, so it was amazing, yeah.
So, like, you traveling or you move here?
I'm studying here right now,
right.
so yeah. That's amazing. So I'm happy that I found you.
Yeah, you get a hang of it so fast.
Almost.
Is it art about?
It's marketing and
Oh,
advertising.
it's something related to art.
Yeah, exactly. So. One more.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can tell on the other side, see? Very
Oh, that
yeah.
looks
Once you feel
great.
the color, you can see it.
Oh,
And
that's
then make sure
amazing.
when you fill in the color, don't get too close to the black. A little bit space.
Okay.
If you get too close, they are mixing together.
Okay, so like this.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah,
Okay.
And then this, you can take it off. Then you can see more.
Oh,
Yeah, just make sure you don't go overlap.
Okay, amazing. So one more outline and I am good. Good. It's fun. I like it.
Don't forget this one.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I set to AI to generate McDonald's fries in pink, and
GPT.
yeah, and she did a good job.
Looks really good.
And actually,
Going or
I'm studying here. Yeah, same question. Yeah.
where you studied at?
I'm studying marketing and advertising at Georgian College. It's in Bury, so Bury, yeah. So a little bit, but
Hour and a half.
yeah, if it's traffic, even 4 hours maybe.
4
But
hours.
if you are staying in traffic, but usually it's like 1.5 hours, I think.
Oh, you from?
Bury,
Oh, you
no,
from Bury.
yeah. But I came early, so.
I thought you studied in Toronto.
No. I'm here for today, so I did the reservation and hope that you will have a free space, but that's good.
Yeah, the weekday is pretty true.
Really? So that's good.
Do you have any plan after?
Maybe I will take a look to Toronto Island. I have never been
yeah.
there.
Oh, yeah, you should go there.
Yeah.
Especially like the weather is good.
Yeah, exactly. So, sure. Okay guys, I am done. I have my handmade carpet and I will show you the result at home. So let's go back to the car and see you in a while. Hello guys, I am back with my overview for today's video. And we started in Toronto. I walked from CN Tower to the Chillax Studio, which is the original name is Chillax Tufting Studio, and it's like 30 minutes far from CN Tower. And when I got there, I got some instructions at the beginning how to make everything. So people there were so kind and so helpful. And I started with my handmade rug. They already prepared for me outline of my picture. I sent them day before, and so it was ready for me. And the first step was to make outline. They also showed me how to work with the sewing gun, and it was at the beginning it wasn't so easy, but when you get there it's good. So I started with my outline. They told me to make it double, so I did it twice basically, and then I started to changing colors of the wool and just made inside of the rug. After I finished, they just glued the back. I didn't do that, they did it for me. And the last part was just shave the rug with hair clipper. So that was the last step. Then I could have go home with my own handmade rug. So it was amazing experience. They were so kind there, so I really do recommend to go there when you have free time. You have to make the reservation to save spot there, but she told me that they are mostly busy on the weekends, so I do recommend to go there on the weekdays. It's better probably because of people and much more space there. I think you want to see the full result, how it turned out, so let's do this. So are you ready? This is my final result. I think it's not perfect, but it's definitely not bad, and now this is my favorite decoration in my room. So I'm really happy. It was amazing. It's not about the product, it's about the time spent there, it's relaxing and it's so nice. So it was like you don't have to think about it really too much, so it was nice. If I remember good, there were 3 options for sizes. This is the small size, then they have a medium, and then big. Mine was for 3 hours and it cost with tax around $140. Then medium is approximately for about 5 hours of work and it was much expensive. I think it was more than $200, but I'm not sure, you have to check. And the big one I really don't remember, but it was very expensive. And also they have workshops for making your own rings and lamps. You can choose whatever you want, and I think it's amazing. If you want to relax and create something nice, you should go there definitely. That's it for today's video. I hope you liked it. Let me know in the comments below how do you like my rug, my handmade rug. I think it's pretty good. And as always, I would be really happy for a like, comment and subscribe, and see you next time.